안녕하세요. 제 에리분, Rocketera's Vlog, 입니다. Hello everyone, this is Rocketera's Vlog and welcome back again to my channel. Bago ko po simulan, i-share ko lang guys, I have 2 ingredients leaves in my recipe for today. The first one is malunggay. The benefits of malunggay leaves, it helps strengthen immune system, help restore skin condition, control blood pressure, relieves headache and migraines. Malunggay also help increase semen count, normalize blood sugar, helps sugar level, therefore preventing diabetes, anti-cancer compounds, phytochemicals that help stop the growth of cancer cells. It also helps to relax and promote good night's sleep because malunggay is high in calcium, 4 times the calcium in milk. Therefore, lactating mothers are advised to consume malunggay leaves to produce more milk for their babies. It also contains 3 times the potassium in bananas and contain 4 times the vitamin A in carrots. An ounce of malunggay has the same vitamin C contained as 7 orange and also contain 2 times the protein in milk. Pwede rin pong gumawa kayo ng malunggay tea that can help straighten the eye muscle, can help also to heal inflammation of joints and tendons, and prevent intestinal worms. And the second one is talbos ng kamote or sweet potato leaves, scientifically called Ipomoea batatas. It provides ascorbic acid, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, B-carotene, B6, thiamine, niacin, zinc, riboflavin, iron, folic acid, calcium, and protein. Here are some health benefits: anti-diabetes, heart health, enhanced eye health, helps in bone health, antibacterial helps. Then, pwede din po kayong gumawa ng kamote tops juice with calamansi and honey. Yan, mura na, healthy pa. So, let's start for cooking my recipe for today. Sinigang na sardinas with malunggay and talbos ng kamote. Keep on watching!
A few moments later.